She'll swear you're just a friend, yet her behavior keeps leaking the truth in tiny moments. These 10 signs aren't about mind reading. They're about noticing what she can't quite hide. And here's what matters. The last one is the silent move she uses when her feelings start pushing into daylight. Most guys miss it, respond the wrong way, and accidentally shut the door. So stay with me, because number 10 is the low-key test she runs to see if you understand her, without her spelling anything out. Number 1, she opens up about her struggles unprompted. If she starts talking about fears, regrets, or mistakes without you digging for it, that's not random sharing. It's a trust probe. Psychologists call this emotional self-disclosure, basically. She's checking whether you're a safe place to land. Watch what she's watching. Do you stay steady, or do you get weirdly intense? If you can listen without judging, without trying to rescue her, and without getting needy, you quietly become the guy she feels calm around. And calm can be dangerously attractive. Calm is the new confident. Think about it. How many men can actually hold space without panicking? Number 2, she tests your masculinity, not your style. It's not nice shirt. It's more like teasing your decisiveness, poking at your confidence, or joking about whether you've got any edge. Looks playful on the surface, but underneath, it's pressure. She's checking if your core is solid. Your best response isn't defending yourself or explaining. Pause, smile, stay relaxed. Real confidence doesn't argue. Real confidence stays quiet. Number 3, she pulls you into her emotional weather. Family issues, friend drama, mood swings, stressful weeks. If she brings that chaos to you, you're not being treated like just another buddy. She's throwing intensity your way to see if you stay grounded. Here's the move. Don't fix. Be steady. Let her vent, and keep your tone calm. That contrast, her storm and your composure, makes you stand out fast. Ever notice how the calm person in the room suddenly feels powerful? Number 4, she downplays other guys in front of you. She'll mention a guy, then quickly dismiss him. Not my type. It was nothing, doesn't matter. That's not information, it's a reaction check. She's measuring what shows up on your face. This is loss aversion in real time. She doesn't want you emotionally backing off because you think she's fully into someone else. Stay unbothered. A tiny smirk is enough. When you don't chase reassurance, she often starts trying harder to prove her value. Number 5, she drags out the goodbye with pointless chatter. You're about to leave then. Suddenly she remembers a show, a meme, a random memory, anything to keep the moment alive that isn't scatterbrained. That's stalling. Her brain wants more time near you, even if she won't label it attraction. Your key? Don't overinvest. Let her talk, but exit smoothly anyway. A calm, clean goodbye makes the next hello feel stronger. Number 6, she quietly shifts her values toward yours. If you notice her opinions aligning with you, especially on deeper stuff like discipline, boundaries, goals, standards, that's usually not a coincidence. It's subconscious bonding. She's syncing her inner compass with your direction. Don't call it out. Just keep living your values. Without realizing it, she starts following your lead. And when a woman follows your lead, the friend label gets shaky. Number 7, she reacts when you notice other women. This isn't just jealousy, it's a status flare. In her head, attention equals value. So when you casually give attention elsewhere, something in her spikes. Her logic might say we're just friends, but her body language tells on her. The play is balance. Don't overdo it. Don't apologize. You're not begging for approval, you're choosing. If you chase, you shrink. Number 8, she starts copying your words and habits. Same phrases, similar posture, matching little routines. This is more than imitation. It's her subconscious blending identities like you're already part of her world. That's affiliation, and it usually happens when attraction is real. Notice it, but don't announce it. Keep leading. She's matching you without admitting why. Number 9, she jokes about you two dating. You'll hear something like, Imagine if we were a couple, said with a laugh. That humor is her safety shield, but underneath, she's already pictured it. Don't laugh nervously, don't swat it away. Hold a steady smile like, yeah, I've thought about that too. That calm acknowledgement is louder than flirting. Number 10. She labels the relationship before you do. Out of nowhere, she'll say, we're just friends, like she's locking the door. But listen, this is often emotion management. She's trying to contain feelings that are starting to move. Most men lose here by arguing, convincing, or over-explaining. Don't do any of that. Agree lightly, almost amused, with a smile that says you're not fully buying it. Keep the tension alive without begging. If you want more breakdowns like this, so you stop guessing and start reading the room clearly, drop a like and subscribe to Stoic Mind Factory. And tell me in the comments which sign have you seen most in real life.